Alright, walking through this area, this is what we just got done this morning. So typically whenever we're tearing out a nice Bermuda yard, that's going to take us 3 to 4 passes with our machine to get it in good enough condition to lay new sod on top of. Let me flip this camera around here so you can. So here's the debris that we have here from this portion, but you can kind of see what's going on here. Not quite there yet, but it's getting there as far as being ready to install the sod on. So like I said, this is one pass. We're going to go over this 2 or 3 more times. The bare dirt portions that you see down there, like around the bottom of the trees and things, those we can typically only take 1 or 2 passes with our little machine to get them prepped for dirt work. But really going to town with the skid steer back there. Everything's going well so far. We'll haul all of this out. That's always included. That is always included with these jobs. Or if you have a place on site where we can dump, that's awesome as well. But we'll get rid of this debris and go over this a couple more times, and it'll be prepped and ready to go.